So let's start to make our clone of Facebook login page. So first, obviously we need our boilerplate code. Sorry. So here what we'll do is change the title to Facebook, obviously, right? Facebook dash login or sign up. We can write it something like this. Let me just quickly do something like this. And it's actually visible. Like this. What I did there. Okay, there you go. So after that, what we'll do is go to our body, and first I will basically make the structure, that is HTML, of the page, and then we'll move to CSS, and after that we'll do JavaScript. Okay. If I can't cover every single thing in this video, if it gets too long, if the stream gets too long, we'll do the rest in another stream. So let's start. So with body, we'll make our very first div. This div will have a this div will have a class of container, because this will act like a container. After this, inside this div, I'll make another div, and this div will have a class of left section. I can name it left section because this is like the left section, right? I'll also open Facebook. Actually, is fine. And I will also, now I'll make another div here, and this will be the logo, right? The actual Facebook logo. We'll not be using any pictures. I will straight up will be using the text, and we'll style it using CSS. After that, we'll make another div, and this div will say the connect with friends. So this is basically the text that you get at the login page, saying connect with friends and world, blah blah blah, around you on Facebook. I can type like this. After that, I will name this. I will give a class saying tagline, which is, again, this is Facebook tagline. Am I right? So after that, what we'll do is make another div, and this will be the right section. So this is the actual section where you like type your login credentials. Okay. So I'll make it and this container will hold these two, which will split to give it the Facebook idea. Yeah. We'll make a form, because again, login page is a form. Am I right? So we'll give this form a class. We'll close the action because we don't need action here. We'll just say login form. This will be the class, and it'll have an ID of login form, like that. And inside this, we'll make a div. This div will have a class of form group, right? So inside this, I will make an input field. So this will be the email, right? This will be the input field that you'll basically type your email. And this will have a class of form input, right? And we'll give an ID of email, and we'll give a placeholder of email or phone number, which you see in your actual Facebook login, right? And also give another attribute saying required, so user has to enter email. Makes sense. After that, what I'll do is make another div, and this div will be called form group. Actually, I can just copy it, I think. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing, so I might as well just copy it like this and change this to password. This will also have a class of form input. After that, it will have an ID of password. Very straightforward. And it will have a placeholder of password, which like that, right? And also be required, obviously. After that, we'll give a button, and this button will say log in, like that. This button have a type of submit, because it will submit to the backend servers. We are not coding backend, so it doesn't really matter, to be honest. So we'll just ignore it. To be fair, even if I didn't include this, it will be This will just like it will just not make sense anyways, because we don't have any backend code. Am I right? After that, it's I think that much is done. After I will make a div, and this will be the div that will basically show error messages, error and success messages, right? So this little div will be for error messages. So I'll div error message like that. We'll give an we'll give a class of error message. After that, we'll give an ID of error message again, like this. And we'll make a div again. This will be for the success messages saying, you know, successfully log in and blah blah blah. We'll do success message and we'll give an ID of success message, but this time I'll probably do it like this, and that should be it. After that is the forgot password. We'll make a div, and this div will have a class of forgot password like this, and inside this div we'll make an anchor tag saying this and forgot password. If I cough too much, I'm sorry guys, I have a cold right now, so I cannot actually speak that much. If I cough too often, I'm extremely sorry. We'll make a div. This will be an anchor tag that will basically, I think, do nothing in this, because we'll not be making any forgot password code. If we do end up making, that's completely fine. If we don't, it'll just be there, so don't mind that. And after I'll make a div. Actually, we never saved it, so quickly save it. Why is it not popping up? That's weird. We'll probably do like this. There you go. Everything that we made up so far is coming, so that's good, right? We did not screw up anything, so right. We'll make another div saying class. We'll give a divider. There'll just be a or divider, you know, the thing, so that's, you see, it will say or and other will make, you know, other things, so that's fine. Like create a new account. So we'll name it divider, and inside this I will make a span saying or. So we'll basically just put a divider right here with or. That's okay. And after that, last we'll make a button. This will be the create new account button. That's good. Inside this type attribute, we'll give a button. You know, that makes sense, right? And after that, it will make a class. This class will be create account. Create account button. There you go. And we'll give an ID of create account. Boom. Boom. Bap. There should be it. And that's the end of our form tag. Yeah, that's the form tag done. So after that, what we'll do is basically just make another div. So that's it for the form tag. Right now, what we'll do is after that, we'll make a sign up model, right? When you do sign up, it will give a new pop-up, you know, saying all of the details. Let's say username, password, everything, right? So I'll make a comment saying this is the sign up model. Inside this, I'll make a div. This div will have a class of model, and we'll say overlay, and we'll give an ID of sign up model like this, and we'll make a div saying this will be the sign up model. So this is just a container, right? This is the actual sign up model. We'll give a class saying sign up model But this time we'll not give the same as this because it'll just not make sense. It'll be just too messy. Inside this, we'll make a model header. We'll make another div, and this div is the model header. Right? We'll give it model header like this. Inside this, we'll give an h2 tag and saying sign up. Oops, I messed up the spelling. There you go. And I'll give a class of model title like this. That should be it. And I'll give a p tag saying it's quick and easy. This will have a class of model subtitle like this. I'll save that. We'll make a button saying we'll give an ampersand saying time like this. And after that, we'll give a class saying close button like that. Okay, that's fine. And I'll give an ID saying close model. Should be it. So this will be our close button, so it should be fine. Okay, so after that is another div. So this div will be for class model body, right? This will be the body. Okay, so model body, and inside this we'll put a form tag. So this is the actual form that the user fills out. So I will close this action tag because again we're not using any backend, so we don't need action. So after that we'll name it sign up form because this is the sign up form. Inside this we'll put sign up form, and there you go. That should be it. And inside the sign up form we'll make a div, and this will be classing form row, right? I'll just name it form row. Inside this, so there'll be 2 input tags, and the first one is input. Will be text. I will cut these 2, right? I will cut these 2 and give a class of sign up input and give a placeholder of first name. So this is the first name. I'm basically making first name and last name, so should be fine. Also keep required because again this is required. We'll make another input field saying text, and I'll give a class saying sign up input again and give a placeholder of last name. I'll change that. And also give the required attribute, and that should be it for this div. Outside this, we'll make another input tag saying this will be the email, right? Now there you go, this will be the email. I put these 2 because I will be putting them in the single row. That's why I named form row. Outside this is the email. I'll give a class saying theme sign up input, give a placeholder of mobile number or email, and required. That should be it. We'll make another input field. This time it will be for password. Give this line theme sign up input, right? Give a placeholder of new password because again this is our new password, right? And we'll keep the required There you go. I think it should be it. That should be. So we'll make another div. So this was for the birthday section. So this is very important because this will have a lot of drop down. So this here we'll be making our drop down, right? And after that we'll make div, and this div will say birthday. We'll give a class of birthday. We'll name it birthday label, I guess. It should be fine. We'll make another div, and inside this div, this will be the input. So this is where user will basically select which one he wants, right? So basically his birthday. So here inside this div, I'll make a select to make a drop down. Make select and got everything that we don't need these. We'll give a class saying birthday select like this, and also give a required because this is required, am I right? Inside this, we'll make ton of options. We'll basically make a ton of options saying the first one is value. So I'll give it month. This will be basically kind of a header. So inside this, it'll be header, right? So copy this and basically paste it a lot of times. I need 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's exact. Okay. We'll make Jan, give 1. We'll make Feb, give 2. We'll make what comes after February? Yes, March. Okay. I know I'm very smart, guys. I know it's very cool. I'm very smart. Wait, actually, what comes after April? May. There you go. Okay. So it's 5, and after May is June. Yeah, I know. I'm very smart, guys. Thank you. After June is July, right? I'll just type July. After July is August, so I'll do EUG. This is the 8th month. After August is September. After September is October. And there you go. After October it's November. And at last, December. Everybody's favorite because you have Christmas here, you know. Let's go. Okay, there you go. It made a cool drop down. We'll be styling all of these using CSS, so don't worry. We'll get into that in a bit. So inside this, after this, now is the another part is we made a drop down for months. We'll also make a drop down for individual dates, right? We'll call it birthday select. So I'll just copy this because we'll be styling them using the same, so might as well give it the same class. Am I right? Inside we'll make, again, this time we need probably, I think, 30 options, 31 options. This will not be accurate, but yeah, we'll make 31. So it's 1, right? So first one is just heading, so I'll make it day and not give any value here, and I'll just copy it. Actually, I can just do this and copy this and put day here and start pasting. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I did good. I think I made 1 or 2 more. So I'll do 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10. and this will be 10, this will be 11, this will be 11, this will be 12, this will be 12, this will be 13, this will be 13, this will be 13, this will be 14, this will be 14. We'll just put it like this. It's not 4, it's 15, 16. This is the most boring part. Probably the most boring part about this entire thing. You could use JS, right? You could totally do it with JS. But come on, we don't want to overcomplicate things, because if you use JS, it will just take a lot of time and a lot of coding, which again, it's kind of a beginner friendly tutorial rather than the complex one. So because majority of our viewers are beginners, so we don't want to overcomplicate things with JS. You could probably you can totally do it with JavaScript, right? Using map and loops if you want to. Totally doable. It's one of the applications of loops. So yeah, so I will just quickly do this. And 8:28, 28. I'm kind of bored already doing this. I want to move on to next one very fast. So 30, we'll make 30. Actually, we'll make 31. There you go. There you go. So all of the things are right here. So that's cool, right? After this is the year select, right? I know it's kind of boring, but come on, bear with me, guys. Coding is not always fun, so you have to understand that, okay? Not everything in life is fun. Come on, man. Sometimes you have to, make your heart do things that you don't want to do. That's how you actually move on in life and be a better person. Am I right? Yes, 100%. That's how we do it, guys. So after that, we'll basically start with, we'll basically make these. We'll probably make it, I think, 15 times. I know. I want to take it to 1990 at least. So that's it. I'll just make it a couple different times like this. I think it should be enough. I'll probably make more if I need to, so that should be fine. That's 5, right? That's 5. That's 4. That's 4. That's 3. That's 3. That's 2. That's 2. That's 1. That's 1. That's 0. That's 0. Now is 1999, 1999, 1999, 1998, 1998, 1997, 1997, 1996, 6 and 1995, there like that. 1994, 1994, 1993. Copy paste. I think I'll pick the same time. I wanted to do this quick, so I just copied it. Guess it probably takes the same again. 1991. And 1990. I'll just make it up to 1990 because I just don't want to bother, guys. Let's be honest. Like that. We'll also make like that. It should be fine. Okay, so we are done with every single thing. So there are cool drop downs like this. We'll style it again later with CSS, so don't worry. That should be fine. So that's it for this. After that is our gender section. So this will be a cool little radio section. We'll be using radio type of form for, if you want to just select male, female, or other, just your gender. So for that, I will give a class of gender section. Right, we'll also make a div saying gender. I think this will be our title, or you might say label, right? You can probably use label tag in this, but I'll just use div to make my life easier. I think using label will be more SEO optimized. So you can do that if you want, but you're not making any SEO optimized thing again, so you can probably, if you want to try that. You can make this code even more SEO friendly using semantic coding. If you guys want, sure, you can do it. After label, oh, actually, we have made label here, so you cannot use label here. Okay, that makes sense. Sorry, again, I have cold, guys. I'm sorry. I cannot speak more, otherwise I'll just start coughing like grandpa. So make a span. This will be for female first, right? After that, we'll make input field again because this is female and we want, radio, right? We want to make this a radio, so we'll make type and we'll name this probably like gender or something. Should work. And value, we'll give it female and we'll make it required. Again, user has to select this, otherwise we cannot enter. That should be fine. So here we'll make, I can probably copy this again, to be honest. I can just do this because we'll probably just do this. We'll cut this and put male here. We'll put male here. That should be fine. So with radio, it's the same value, might be different. So instead of male, female, it will be male, and that should be it. Now other is the other option for people rather than male and female, right? We can probably make custom. We'll not be making custom like genders again because it's too much work. We'll make custom here. We'll just do this. We can change it later. So after that is we'll make a paragraph tag and terms text, and okay, this is the small thing that Facebook does. We'll probably have the same thing that they're probably writing it. I have notes in my next page, so that's fine. So they have typed, by clicking you agree to our terms data policies. Basically you're just, by agreeing this, you do this. You are bound to accept our things. Basically we're just talking about that. And we'll do that, and comma, and we'll do you may receive SMS notifications. Let me quickly drink water. While we code, you can type how was your day, chat. Was it good? Was it fun? Was it a good day? Was it a bad day? Runtime notifications from us and can opt out anytime. Thank God. Okay, so that'll be our tag, so that's fine. And that should be it. So with that, now the last thing that we need is forgot password. So this will be the pop-up for forgot password. We'll quickly make a forgot password model. So basically this is our thing. We'll quick comment. We'll make div first. This div will be the kind of a wrapper for everything. So it'll be modal overlay. So because this will be a pop-up or overlay, what you want to call it, doesn't matter, to be honest. Forgot model, right? Inside this, we'll probably make a div. And this div will call, let's say, forgot model. Should be fine. Inside this, we'll make an h2 tag saying class forgot title. find your account, right? That should be fine. This will be an after p tag. This will say, please enter your email or mobile number to search for your account. You can type anything you want, to be honest, because you are the one who's making it. So, but I'm cloning it, so I gotta make it as close to the real thing as possible. Am I right? So that's it. So next, what next? We can probably make the same button. This will be the close button, right? This will basically close the pop-up. We'll make a class saying close button, and we'll give an ID of close for dot model, like that, and we'll put the same thing saying ampersand times, I think I screwed up the spelling upwards, am I right? Yep, there you go. Oh, okay, there you go. I thought to the point where, like, why didn't it work? Okay, because I just spelled the thing wrong. Okay. So with that said, that's done with this div. We'll make another div here saying this will be the forgot body, the actual body. We'll make it forgot body. Inside this, we'll make a form tag. And this form tag will again cut actions. We'll make it forgot form, right? And this will have an ID of forgot form. We'll basically style it and add everything at once. We'll take an input tag, and this will have a text. Also put a class, why not, right? Forgot input. Give an ID of forgot email, and give a placeholder of email or mobile number. So this will be an input where he puts the mobile number. We'll make it required, so user has to fill this out. And that should be it. After that, sorry. After that is we'll make another div inside this form tag. We'll make a div. This div we'll call it, what do we call it? I'll call it forgot actions, why not? We'll put a button. This will say cancel, just in case the user wants to cancel it. That can happen, you know, like sometimes you just accidentally like opens it. And make a class saying forgot cancel button. ID will put it cancel forgot. I'm sorry. I'll keep saying sorry. I'm not feeling well, guys. Do type submit, because this will be submitting, kind of, because it will basically search for an email, am I right? We'll forgot, and we'll make it submit and button. There you go. And with that said, it should be done. Everything should be done. We have made everything. So this is one, and this is one. This will be hidden. Now we'll start with CSS. Before doing that, we'll quickly just link our JS file like this. We'll make a JS file called script.jx shortly. We'll make it's not inside here though. We'll make a file saying script.js. Okay, there you go. Now we'll link it. I'll link our CSS file. We'll make a link. We'll probably call this style.css like that. We'll make another file saying style.css. That should be it. Okay, that should be it. Okay, so let's start styling it. Yeah. At first, we will basically call all and do the most important thing probably in CSS, that is giving margin and padding 0. Also give a box sizing of border box. That should be it. Now everything should be like there should be no margin. Now we can actually start styling. So first is font family. So first font family will give Helvetica. We'll put this first. This will be our primary thing. After that is Arial. Arial, and if that doesn't work, that will be sans serif. That should be it. Okay, so that looks more like Facebooky, you know. We'll give a background of we'll give a color for the background, and that color will be F0, F2, F5. There you go. Okay. And we'll give a minimum height of 10 VH. There you go. And after that is display. We'll be using flex again. Yep. Display flex, align items in center. There you go. And justify content, it will be center again. It should be centered from the x-axis too. And we'll give a padding of 20 pixels. That should be it. Okay. We'll call the container now. We'll start calling the container. We'll probably flex this again. We'll give a max width of 1200 pixels and also give a width of 100%. This should take 100%. There you go. Also give a gap of probably 50 pixels should be fine. We'll align items at center. Yep, there you go. For left section, which is the left section, we'll probably do flex 1. Flex 1 color will be we'll make a hex code saying 1C1E 21. There you go. That should be it. And our logo. This will be our Facebook font. So font size will be 28 pixels. Line height is 1.3 and font weight is 300. Yep, there you go. It looks like actual Facebook, guys. It is start to getting, it's getting more Facebooky as we speak. So stick around, guys. So we'll give a font size of 128 again as the same because tagline has the same font size. And for the line height, I think I'll give the same. That only makes sense. And for the font weight, I'll give a 300 same. Okay, there you go. Makes sense. Now for the right section. Okay, it will be same as flex 1 and max width will be 400 pixels. And that's it. Now another is login form. Login form background will be white. Padding probably will be 30 pixels. Border radius will be 8 pixels. And box shadow, we'll also add a box shadow, why not? Box shadow is 0, 2 pixels, and probably 4 pixels at the end. We'll put an RGBA for the color. RGBA will be 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0.1. And Another is 8 pixels, 16 pixels, RGBA. And same as that, it's I don't know, one probably is 0, 0, 0.1. There you go. Okay, I think that should be it. So next is border, right? We'll give a border of 1 pixel solid and give a color saying DDD FE2. There you go. Now .form.group. And make sure I'm actually doing the same thing, because I know that I'm like, I'm just hoping I don't mess up the names, you know. Right section. Yeah, there you go. I just messed up one right there. Okay, so yeah. That should be fine, I think. That should be fine. I hope so, at least. Yeah. Okay, so form group will probably just add a margin bottom 20 pixels. Form input width is 100 pixels, padding is 15 pixels and 20 pixels. Border is 2 pixel, solid D. Border radius is again 8 pixel, font size is 16 pixels. Transition, we'll also add some animations because, come on, it only makes sense, and we'll put it ease. There you go. Now it looks more clean, in my opinion. Also make a background of RGBA thing 255 and I'll just make all white, why not, and have a opacity of 0.9. Okay, it's not flexed, that's weird. Okay, that's fine, that's completely fine. After form input is the dot form input focus. We'll be using these. We'll be using focus, and outline is none. Border color is, we'll give it 1877 F2, why not? After that, we'll give a box shadow of 0, 0, 0, 3 pixels, RGBA. Inside this, we'll put 24199. No, 119. Sorry, 242 and 0.1. So that's should be fine. And transform, and we'll probably translate -2 pixels at Y, like that. Yep, kind of works. Okay, I don't think it should be like this, but I'll probably troubleshoot if it doesn't. Is it not working? There you go. So next is the login button. So we'll probably style the login button. Width is I'm sorry. Sorry. The padding is 15 pixels. We'll probably add a 15 pixel padding. We'll give a background of linear gradient. We'll use linear gradient, why not? And we'll probably do 135 deg and added 1877f2, and we'll do 42a 5f5. There you go. Looks kind of really bad because we are not done yet. Don't worry. We'll give a color of white. We'll give border radius of 8 pixels. Font size of 18 pixels. Font weight bold. We'll give a cursor saying, let's say, I don't know, pointer. That's like the most makes sense. All 0.3 seconds, and we'll do ease. Why not? We'll choose ease. Text transform, we'll probably do uppercase, and letter spacing is 1 pixel, so why not? Okay, it actually looks good now. Yep. Now for the login hover, the login button hover, we'll probably do again background of linear gradient, and we'll do 135 deg, and we'll do addred 166 fe5, and we'll probably do 3d 96 and e6. There you go. It should be fine. We'll also transform if hovers. We'll probably like just translate to y using 3y. Sorry, what am I doing? That was not supposed to be. We'll probably make box shadow. Box shadow saying 0, 10 pixels, 25 pixels, and RGBA. And saying 24, again the same thing. 24, 119, 242, and 0. Okay. So another is login button active transform translate to y -1 pixels. What I'm not getting is so that's it. We should be fine. So login active. How long have we been live? It's been almost 1 hour, guys. Okay, like and subscribe if you haven't. Quick plugin. After that is for the forgot password, right? Probably style forgot password like this. Boom. And we'll do text align center. We'll give a margin of 20 pixels and 0. Like that. Forgot password A. Okay, there you go. I will give the dot forgot password A hover. Right. I'll give it color. Color of. I'll give the same. 166 FE5. Give text decoration. Oh, okay, I did a syntax error here. Okay. Text decoration. I was thinking, why did the snippets not work? And last for the divider, give a text align of center again. We'll give margin of 25 pixels and 0. Position of relative, and color will be 8A8D91. Forgot that. Okay. That should be fine. So that's it. Okay, so divider is before. This is the after divider. We have to make sure we are using for the after, right? We'll do before. So before the thing, we'll probably do content empty like this. We'll make it position absolute. We'll give top 50%. We'll probably give left 0. I don't think we need left. And we'll right 0 and height of 1 pixels. And background will be ADDE1. Boom. Okay, there you go. Looks cool. Kind of looks like divider, doesn't it? Now next is divider span. I'll give a background white, adding 0 and 15 pixels. Font size of 14 pixels. Okay. Now next is create account button, where we're basically styling this now. We'll give a width of 100%. Right, padding of 15 pixels. Background, we'll give a background of linear gradient, and we'll probably give this the 15 deg. Add 42B 883 and add 5DC 88B. There you go. Now is the color. So we'll probably give it white, and border, I don't think we need border. And we'll probably also give border radius. Border radius will be 8 pixels. Font size will be of 16 pixels. Font weight will be of 16 pixel as well. Cursor will be pointer, and transition will be all, and I don't think we need heavy thing, but I'll still put the same like this. I think we messed up at spelling. It's not getting applied here. So let me quickly see. Okay, here we go. There we go. I think it should be done. There you go. That's your answer to why wasn't it working in the container. I was thinking why was like not working. Yes, I just messed up the spelling. There you go. So it will look really clean once it's kind of full screen. We'll probably hide this again, saying display hidden. For now, it looks almost, it's close enough to the real thing. So we are making progress, guys. We're making progress. I don't think we can finish everything. I don't think we'll do JavaScript for today's video, or today's stream, I should say. I'm too used to saying video because I'm too used to making videos, okay? Doing a linear gradient, and we'll probably do the same, 16 deg, 105 deg, sorry, 36, 99, and 70. And for another, we'll probably do... I'm sorry, guys. 0. Hopefully. Okay, there you go. And we'll also put transform. We'll probably translate to y, again, -2 pixels. I also add a box shadow. Box shadow of 0, 8 pixels, 20 pixels, RGBA, and we'll put 66, 184, 131, and opacity of 0.3. Boom. Yep, there you go. Kind of works. Now for the error messages. Quickly check if I didn't mess up the thing, right? Hopefully I haven't messed up, like I messed up any of the thing in other, because if I do, oh boy, it'll be one heck of a ride, guys. E7s, we'll probably give a color of E74 and 363. There you go. We'll give a color of that. There you go. We haven't given anything here. We'll make it through JavaScript and probably next stream. I don't think we can cover everything here because I don't want to make the stream too long, because like it can be kind of boring, you know? Because a long stream, not ideal, let's say. So again, I have probably seen this from the same thing. We'll give a font size of 14 pixel, margin top of 10 pixels, and padding of 10 pixels. Give a background of, again, we'll probably use RGBA again here. I don't like the fact that it always gives one, so we'll probably give 1231 and 76. What else? 60 and opacity 0.1. There you go. What is that? I think that's the error message. So it'd be fine. We'll probably do a display and we'll not show it, because showing it will just not do anything, right guys? Yeah. We'll give a border radius of 5 pixel, and at last we'll do display none, so it will not show right there. It will only show it. We'll probably configure it with JavaScript, so like if the user enters the wrong or like does not enter thing, we'll probably show this error message. It should be fine. Now, I don't for the success message, right? We'll probably do success message like this. We'll give a color of 27 AE and 60. We'll give a font size of 14 pixels, margin top of 10 pixels, padding of 10 pixels. We'll give a background of we'll probably use RGBA again. RGBA will give 39, 174, 96, and 0.1 as the opacity. Okay. It's starting to look clean, or more cleaner, I guess. Did I again mess up the spelling? Because I don't think it's getting styled. Hold up a minute, guys. Hopefully I haven't messed up the spelling. I'll probably copy this again. Listen, I don't trust myself. Okay. Okay, so RGB. There you go. I was saying, why wasn't it not working? That was weird. Okay, so we'll do border radius again. We'll probably give 5 pixels. We'll give display none. Okay, that's done. That's for the success measures. Now we'll work on our media queries, or just to make it more responsive, we'll give media. Right, we'll give media, and we'll probably do max width. Sorry guys. I'll give max width. Let's say if the max width is 768 pixels, we'll make the container flex direction, we'll probably make it column, because we can't make it horizontal in mobile. We'll do gap 30 pixel. Text align, we'll probably make it center again. Okay, so if I do probably make it like that, as you can see, it's working. Right? That's working? Yeah, it's working. If I do that, that will make it, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's do that. Now if you're making thing, then might as well just see like that. We'll also make the logo smaller. So font size, we'll probably do it 45 pixels. Oh wow, I think I made it bigger. Why is it smaller here though? That's kind of weird. Wait, I think I messed up in the logo. Hold up. Hold up. Have I styled logo? I think I forgot to style logo, right? Oh, I have styled logo. What? Okay, I think I did the wrong styling. Okay. So what we'll do is font size, we'll probably make it 60 pixels, and font weight will probably be bold. I did the wrong thing. Bottom 20 pixels. I was gonna say, why it doesn't look like the Facebook, so let's again do 18777 and F2. This is actually the logo of Facebook. Now it looks like a Facebook logo. Oh my god. Okay. So now if I just go down here like that, boom. Logo will make it 45 pixels, and the tagline font size will probably do 22 pixels. And why did I do tagline again? Okay, I'm actually getting autistic. And we'll do a padding of 25 pixels. Bye. Okay, so next media is for so this is for mobile. So we'll do max height, max width is, let's say, 480. I forgot add, there you go, 480 pixels. If we come down here, we'll make the login form. Padding will be 1020 pixels. Margin will be 0 and 10 pixels. And for the logo, it'll probably make it even more smaller. Font size will probably do 35 pixels. So let's do it like this. Yep. I don't think it's for mobile though. Okay, so we'll probably do that. And for the tagline, we'll make it font size 18 pixels. Okay, so that should be fine. Now we'll start to, how long have we been live? Okay, it's been officially 1 hour and 7 minutes. Okay, that's long. That's really long. Almost 1 hour. So with that said, what else do we need? Now we have to style these. So these are our overlays, you know. And then let's start to, we'll make a comment here saying module styles. The first one is model overlay. So we'll do position, we'll do fixed, top 0. We'll top 0, left is 0. Width will probably give it 100% because I don't think we need more anyways. Fix will probably give a height of 100%. We'll give a background of RGBA. Close this, of 0, 0, 0, 0.5, like that. We'll do display flex. Align item center. Oops. We'll do justify content. We'll also make it center. We'll give a z index of 1000. Like this. We'll give an opacity of 0. And visibility will be hidden, obviously, because this is not something that you should show. Like again, so this actually looks more, you know, login button like, or like a actual Facebook page. Now it's also responsive, as you can see. It's good. Now to style the transition, I have to style these, so we'll probably give a transition. Oh, you cannot see. Okay, there you go. We'll do 0.3